What are we doing today?
We're going to India.
Yeah. What are you doing, Aaliyah?
Painting
What are you painting?
the wall.
With London? Say goodbye, London. That's why the window, it's your view. Good morning, Anders.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Everything you have to write.
Hi, Daddy.
Right? You go to computers. You go to computers as well. Oh, already.
Hi, Daddy.
I used to be in first grade.
Hi, Daddy. I used iPads when I was in kindergarten.
Oh,
Hi. Hi. We're at the drop-off. We drop off our bags. You see them? At British Airways.
What country?
To London. To leave London. Into India.
Yeah. Anders, where are we going now?
We go to the airport.
So we're at the airport. Where are we going now? We're going to India.
Yeah, we gonna see Babaji. We gonna find Babaji. The American people say.
Babaji?
Ava, where are we? Where are we? Who's landing? There's our plane. Who's that? Girls, where are we?
I don't know.
You don't know? Aaliyah, where are we?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah.